Yeah. Okay. So a very good morning to all my dear students. So we welcome you to the department. On behalf of the Department of Chemistry, we welcome you all. So just now I have seen so many message. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. And very few good morning, madam. That is why there is the need for this introduction because there are madam also. Okay. And till date, uh, with my experience, some of my students, they are still confused who are the madam and who are the sir. And I used to get message saying to me, thank you, sir. And then I have to correct them that I am madam. That is why the department has decided that today we will organize this introduction program for you all so that you will know the madam and you will know the sir in the department. Okay. So dear student, uh, I'm very glad to inform you that our department has a gender equity. Okay, we are 8 in the department and we have 4 female and 4 male. Okay, so there's a balance of the gender in the department. And in today class, it is 10 o'clock. It is my class. So it is my class at 10 o'clock. So in my class, only for today, we have decided we will have an introduction program so that you will know your own teacher. Okay. So in this 10 o'clock, it will be my class. I am Dr. Seodolang Diamai, and I'll be taking inorganic chemistry. And my initial will be SD. So I'll be ma'am SD, okay? So I will not be sir SD, like if some of them are still confusing. So I'll be ma'am SD, Dr. Seodolang Diamai. I'll be taking inorganic chemistry. And the timing for me is at around 10 o'clock this morning. So from next class, I'll be taking a regular class. And so now we will start right away with the program. I will call the head of the department, Dr. IC Dalin Snaitang. She will give you a welcome address. And if she have important information also, she will highlight some of the important information. So I call her Dr. IC Dalin Snaitang. I think she lost connection.
I think she got disconnected, ma'am. You can
Department, Dr. IC Dalin should give, okay, she's there. So she will give you a welcome address. I think she can start. Should we go for introduction of the teacher before head to them? I think she have technical problem.
Yeah, I think, ma'am, we can continue with the.
Oh, she's connecting. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. I'm very sorry. A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. So I'm having a very bad network issue. Because of that, it's very difficult for me to connect with you all. So I would like to take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to the college in general and to the class in particular. So my name is Dr. IC Dalin Snaitang, and my initial is AS. So I take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you. We will be meeting you from the 1st to the 4th semester for the past students, and of course for the honor student, we will be meeting till the 6th semester. So during this time that you will be here with us, we will be just like one family. If you have any problem, you can always come to us. We will always be ready for you. And because due to this pandemic situation, it's very difficult to meet during offline to meet physically via offline classes. So for this month, we'll continue with the online class, and most of the time we will give you pre-recorded videos and sometimes PDF file also. Okay, because of the network issue, we will not have live class. We will give you pre-recorded video, except if there is any meeting with the student. That time we will conduct via live class like this. So like I told you, because it's your first class, we just want to introduce each and every one of us here. Briefly, let me tell you about how the syllabus will be syllabus will be divided, because it's the first time. So I would like to request Fernando to just display the screen. Okay, so you can see here, your paper number for the first semester is Chem EH 101. You will see there are two parts, part A, theory, part B, practical. So in that part A, theory, within bracket, we have inorganic, organic, and physical. Okay, inorganic chemistry, and physical chemistry. So we have teachers specialized in these three fields. Okay, we have teachers specialized in inorganic chemistry. We have teachers specialized in organic chemistry as well as physical chemistry. So for me, myself, my specialization is physical chemistry. So I'll be teaching you physical chemistry. And you can see the marks there for the theory paper. It is 75 marks. Okay, so this 75 marks is the total mark for the theory paper. Now, out of 75, 25% of the 75, that is 19 marks, will be conducted via internal assessment. That means 19 out of 75 marks will be your internal marks. This one will be given to you by the department. Not given, it means exam for 19 marks will be conducted by the department. And the remaining 56 marks, okay, which comes to 75% of 75 marks, the remaining 55 marks, that will be external marks or external assessment. That one, NIHU will conduct the exam. All right, so 19 marks will be from the department, 56 marks will be from NIHU. Total will be 75. And for these two, internal marks and external marks, there will be a separate pass mark. It's not that even if you score in the external, you score 56 out of 56. If you did not appear for the internal exam, you will fail. Okay, because we have a separate pass mark for the internal as well as the external. All right, the details of this I'll be giving you again during my class, which is on Monday. I'll give you a pre-recorded video so that anytime if you want to watch, you can watch that. You will understand properly the marks distribution. Okay, now come to part B. You can see part B, that is practical. In the practical, the course name, of course, is given there, organic. LC means lab course. All right, so it is organic analysis. Part of this you have done in your class 12, where you have to analyze the organic sample, you find a functional group and so on. That also teachers will teach you, okay, during offline class. Hopefully, we will start with the offline class in the next month. You will be able to do the practical. Now let me come to the marks for the practical. You will see there 25 marks for the practical. Now the same thing for practical also. 25% will be internal, 75% will be external. So 25% of 25 marks according to NIHU calculation will be 6, okay? And 75% of 25 marks will be 19. So in this case for the practical, 6 marks will be your internal, 19 marks will be your external. Total will be 25 marks. And again, it's the same thing like I have told you from the theory point of view. For practical also, there will be a separate pass mark. That means you have to clear the theory, you have to clear the internal marks and the external marks separately. If you are absent in the internal assessment, you will fail. Or if you are absent in the external assessment, again, you will fail, even though you get full marks in one part. Okay, that means both internal and external will be given to you. Or sorry, the pass mark for the internal and external will be separate in this case. Okay, all right. So briefly again, let me just brief again here, but you don't have to worry. Again, I'll give you a pre-recorded video during my class on Monday about this. Okay, so briefly again, let me just introduce again. This paper Chem EH101, it is divided into two parts. Path A, that is theory, 75 marks. Path B, that is practical, 25 marks. Okay, so that the total marks of this whole paper will be 175 plus 25. Now, in case of the theory, out of 75 marks, 19 will be internal marks, 56 will be external marks. External means Nihu will conduct the exam, Nihu will check your script, everything. Okay, internal marks mean department will conduct the exam, department will check your scripts. Fine. So again, for this, separate pass mark will be there for the internal and the external. So if you are absent in one of these, you will definitely fail. All right. So you have both internal and external assessment are equally important. You have to be present in both of these internal assessment. Okay. Now for the theory also the same thing. From the practical also same thing. 25 marks. 6 will be internal and 19 will be external. Same thing for this. Both are equally important. So I hope this is clear to all of you regarding this one. So I have seen in the chat box, some of you said that it's not that clear. So don't worry, okay? I'll give you again this one, a pre-recorded video, okay, in the PowerPoint presentation. Then if you have any doubt, you can watch that video again and again, okay? So 75 will be theory, 25 will be practical. For the honor student, it is separate. For the chemistry honor student, you will have again another separate paper. That one, your teacher in charge, okay, Professor Fernando Dingdo will explain to you during the practical class. So this is in general for all students. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this. In case you have any problem, don't worry. Again, we are always here for you. I'll give you again, I'm telling you, we'll give you a pre-recorded video. In case you still have doubt, you can always message us, okay, in Telegram or in WhatsApp. All our information will be available in the website. Okay, so I hope this is all clear to all of you. So with this, let me conclude my speech here. Thank you, everyone. Yes, yeah.
Sorry, I forgot to unmute myself. So thank you, Dr. Aisidalan, for giving that information to all the students. And I saw some of the students have been asking for some of the book. The teacher will give you the corresponding book in their own class. Okay, so don't worry about the books and all. And again, regarding the theory paper and practical, again the teacher will explain again to you, so you don't have to worry so much. So I forgot to mention in the beginning that in your class 12 you have only chemistry paper. So when you are now in your BSc course, so you will have inorganic, organic, and physical, as the head has already explained to you just now. So it will be divided into inorganic, organic, and physical. You have to appear all, okay? You have to pass all, not that you study only organic or physical or the inorganic or any of these paper, okay? You have to write all of them. So now we will introduce the teacher. So since myself, I've already started, again, I will introduce to you. So I am Dr. Sirolang Tiamai. Okay, the initial will be SD, and I'll be taking inorganic part of the chemistry. So the head also have already introduced to you. She will be taking physical chemistry. So you have already seen her face and my face too. So let me complete the introduction with all the ladies, because half of the ladies have been introducing to you. So let me call Isidora Karpongor. Okay, she will introduce to you. So you see her face nicely. And then Mary will introduce.
Thank you, Dr. Theodore Longdiamai. I hope all the students can hear me. Very good morning. My name is Dr. Isidora Kalkungor. My initial is IK, and I will be taking inorganic chemistry class. And my class with you all will start on Monday at 3:15 p.m. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Isidora. Remember, student, we have 2 eyes in the department, so be careful. You might not be freeze, okay? So next, I'll call Marilee Saukme. She'll introduce herself. Marilee Saukme.
Okay. So
Okay,
dear
she's there.
students, yes, this is me. So a very good good morning to all my new friends. So I feel very privileged to get this opportunity to introduce myself. And my name is Mrs. Marilee Salkumie. So you can call me Miss MS in short. Okay. So I will be taking inorganic chemistry, and I will be having a class with you every Thursday at 11 a.m. right after Miss SD. Okay, so I will welcome you all to the Department of Chemistry. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Marilee Saukme. So next, we will introduce the gentlemen of the department. So the first face that we can see is Philando Dingdo, the digital man of the department, as called by all of us. So let him introduce to you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to all of you, my dear students. My name is Fernando Dingdo. Actually, I'm using college Zoom now, so the name is displayed as St. Anthony's College. But my name is Fernando Dingdo, and you can call me in short as Sir FD. So I'll just give my name in the chat. And you can call me Sir FD. I will be teaching organic chemistry. And also later today, I'll just guide you on using the LMS, how we will use the LMS and how you will access the courses in the LMS. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sir Philando. And remember, student, all the technical problem regarding the class, Sir Philando is the boss. Okay, he will handle everything. And in today's introduction, it's very important that you stay till the end because Sir will explain to you all the important information of the online class. Okay, we are doing through Moodle, the LMS. We are not doing any Google Classroom. Some are asking in the chat box or regarding the Google Classroom. We are doing through the Moodle. Okay, so the LMS. Sir will explain everything about LMS, how to attend class, how to see your attendance, how to do everything, anything. Sir will explain. So it's very important that you stay online. And if you have any problems, Sir will help you. Okay. So next, should I call Baskem? Siad, it's there. Okay, Sir BK.
Thank you so much, Ma'am SD. So good morning to all dear students. My name is Dr. Bhaskar Langshiar, and my initial is BK. And I'll be taking the organic chemistry. As I will share the syllabus with FD. And for this first semester, I'll be taking the hydrocarbons, such as the alkanes, cycloalkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. And my classes usually used to be on Friday. It is from tomorrow at 3:15 p.m. So I'll see you tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to hear more from you with your feedbacks and queries. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sir BK. And so, a student, if you have any problem regarding anything, you can always ask Sir BK also because he is very informative. He knows so much. Okay, he will know your performance in the exam also. So I will not tell anything about him anymore. You will soon know about him. So next, should I call Sir Shampang Nyota? He will introduce to you all.
Hello, everyone. Good morning and welcome to St. Anthony's. Welcome to the department. I am Shampang Nyota. For short, you can call me Sir SH or Sir Shem. And I'll be taking physical chemistry along with Ma'am ES and Sir MC. So we will be sharing the portion. So yeah, so we'll meet you in class. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Sir Shyam. And then last and not the least, I will call Sir Mithun Chakrabarti to introduce himself.
Thank you, Ma'am Sidor. So good morning to all the students. So first of all, I would like to welcome you all to the Department of Chemistry, St. Anthony's College. So my name is Dr. M. Chakrabarti. So I will be taking 2 units basically from the syllabus. One will be from the organic chemistry portion, that is aromatic hydrocarbons and aromaticity. And the other will be from the physical chemistry, that is gaseous state 1. So since as already ma'am have told you that we are continuing with online classes, so hopefully this pandemic goes off quickly and we can continue with our normal classes. So hope to see you all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. So student, even me also, I wish to see you soon in the class. Maybe if we have online, we will start with practical, but whatever the government give information, okay, instruction, then we have to go ahead with that. So I hope now, student, you have recognized the face of the chemistry teacher. Okay, four female are there and 4 male. We have gender equity, and then I hope now you will not call sir to me and madam to one of the male teacher. Okay, so any problem if we have, you can always approach us. You have the Telegram group. You can text there if you have any doubt. Okay, any problem. And so now the session will be handed over to our digital sir, which is Sir Falando. He will explain to you everything about the online classes, how to log in into the Moodle, what are the important things that you have to do, and then so I hand over to him. Okay, all the important information he will explain to you regarding the online classes.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Good morning once again, my dear students. So this part of the session will be more of a hands-on. So if you could follow along, it would be better. So first, let me just ask, how many of you could log into Moodle? Or have you received the email that we have sent from the department? Okay, so I've seen a few says you can log in. So that's good. So that you can all see the whole screen, I'll just switch off my video. Okay. Okay, so majority says they can log in. Okay, some of you know. Okay. So the first thing, if yesterday we have sent one more email. So if you can just check the email from the chemistry department email, that is chemistry@anthonys.ac.in, you should see username detail there and a password. So the website for the LMS, we call it the LMS, is Learning Management System. So it is moodle.anthonys.in, and then there's again an ending /Moodle. So it's not just that. So you end again with this one. So I'll just give this in the chat. So that is the website address. And once you press enter, now you'll see here is a username and a password. So the username will be your roll number. So I'll just take randomly someone's roll number. Okay. I have the detail here. So I'll just use someone roll number. So this is the first roll number. So it starts with U21. This means that undergraduate 21, and then BN. So this 2-letter word is given from the college. You will receive in your email. We have sent via email. So that BN means botany. If it's chemistry honors, it will be CH, like that. So 4001. So that 4 digits also is the roll number. So this is a complete roll number. Okay, U21BN4001. So you'll receive something different for you. It could be any number. Then the password is C with a capital C. I think most who cannot log in, they use a small c. So try that. Capital C, HEM at 1234. So it's a capital C, then small h, small e, small m at 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you do that, you should be able to log in. Now, this belongs to Graceful Mary Lingdor. And if you are here or not. Okay, so those who cannot log in, you can try this part. Roll number, you check from the email. That is your username. And the password is with a capital C, HEM at 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, once you have logged in, you can see this general chemistry one. You will see this. Yeah, you can log in with an app, but there are some things that you cannot do in the app. For daily use, you can use the app, but it's better to use a browser especially for attendance. There's a slight problem for the attendance, okay? So if you go to this chemistry one, then you will see this as the classes. Now, the classes will be divided by the courses, like for example here, Unit 1A, Unit 1B. So whichever teacher will be taking this one, they'll put the initial at the front. Okay, like say Ma'am SD will put SD, Unit 1. Then say I'll put FD, Unit 2. Okay, so you can see here in the chemistry class routine, we just have to take a quick look there in that chemistry class routine. Now what you'll see here is that this yellow shade are the first semester. So first sem theory SH means on that particular timing, Sir SH will be the one who will be taking the class. Then Sir MC. Okay, so like today it is Ma'am SD and Ma'am MS. So this is how we will do. Then tomorrow it will be me at 2:30. So me and Sir BK. So this is available in the routine, so you can know which teacher will be taking the class. Okay. Then you also have the syllabus is given here in the LMS. You can access that syllabus there also. Now, all the classes will be given in this courses area. So as of now, there's nothing in this one because we have not added anything. So you'll see that Unit 1A does not have anything there. So I would like you, if you have the time right now, to log in and check if you could log in or not. That is important part. If you cannot log in, then you can inform me. Okay, so some of you have already logged in, so that's good. Okay. For those who have not logged in, you can try now. So I'll enable two things now in the system. One is the daily attendance. Okay. Which will be live to you in a moment. And another one is a student forum. So I want you to try these two things. The daily attendance, you'll have to mark yourself present. Okay, so you need to mark yourself present. Okay, so let me demonstrate again with that student's account because this is my account. So U21BN4001 CHEM at 1234. Now you will see here that these two things have appeared. Okay, daily attendance and students forum. So you go to students forum, and then you should be able to see the information there, which is okay, so you see this introduce yourself. So you can reply to this part. And here we have seen some of the information with the teachers. You can view our profile and you can then reply, just introduce about yourself a little bit in that forum. So we will be using a forum so that we can discuss. And then the daily attendance is for marking yourself that you are present today. So in this daily attendance, what you do is that you can see that this is for today, 16 September at 10 a.m. You can submit the attendance. So you tap submit attendance. Now this is a part where you have to use a browser. You cannot use the app. Okay, so for the attendance, you cannot use the app. For the other things, you can use the app. Okay, so I'll repeat one more time. May Banrihun, you could not. Okay, just wait. I'll repeat that attendance. Okay, so once you log in, you will see something like this. General chemistry. So you go to this. So your course you can access from this left side. You can see my courses, general chemistry. Okay. Now you'll see announcement, syllabus, department YouTube channel, and then the class routine, then this introductory class, which is today. Just below that, you'll see daily attendance. I have just enabled this daily attendance, so that's why earlier you will not see. So you need to refresh, and then you will see. So daily attendance, you will see here. Okay. So if you go into daily attendance, you will see this. If you click that, then you'll see this one, submit attendance. You have to click this one again, submit attendance. Yes, you will need a password to submit the attendance. Okay, so I'll inform to you just a moment. So the password is intro, INTRO, all in small letters. Okay, so teachers every day they will put the password somewhere in between in the video lecture. So you have to put that password intro and then mark present. Okay, so I'll not mark for this because this is graceful account. Okay, so you have to click say present and then save changes. But I will cancel now. So did you get the password? Is intro for this class. Okay, so INTRO. Okay, so I'll cancel that. So you can also change your email if suppose you have made changes. If suppose you have on the mobile phone, that left panel will not show. So I'll now switch to a mobile phone and see the differences. Okay, so let me just switch to my mobile phone. Okay, so you can all see my screen now, my phone screen. So I'll use a browser. You can use any browser. You can use Chrome. I'm having a Safari here, so moodle.anthonys.ac.in. So here at the top right, you'll see the login. So you have to tap that one login. Okay, so I'll use again a student's account. Okay, can you tell me your roll number? It's U21 CH 4252 4252, and okay, so capital CHEM at 1234. You can actually also change the password. It's invalid. What happened here? U21 CH 4252. Okay, so yours is invalid for 252. Let me just check from my list. For 252, did you receive an email? Okay, so those who has correctly given the roll number, but you could not sign in. I think we did not get your roll number from the college. So what you do is that you get back to me in Telegram, okay? Okay, that's why, because you changed honors from statistics to chemistry. So maybe we did not receive the changes yet. So what you do is that in Telegram, you can just contact me, okay? You contact me in Telegram and give me your roll number that you get after the change, because we get all the information we get is for the first one. The password for login is CHEM at 1234. Or do you mean for the so I'll demo again from that same roll number, BN 4001. So C with a capital C, HEM at 1234. Okay. So you can get from here at the top, you'll see this dashboard, profile, preferences, and then the attendance will be down here. You can see this daily attendance, and then submit attendance, and then you can mark. So the password for this attendance is INTRO. Okay, so you have to mark present and save changes, but I'll cancel for this one. Okay, so the link is moodle.anthonys.ac.in. So now I'll show you using the app. Okay, so you have to download this app, Moodle. If you want to download the app, you can download the app. As of now, I have login here, so I'll just delete this. So you have to search in Google Play or in App Store, depending upon which system you use. So you just search for Moodle. To access the courses, it's easy from the app. So you have to download this Moodle app. It's not compulsory. Some prefer to use app, so I'll just show how to use with the app. Okay, so open. To use the app, you have to type in that college link. So it is Moodle, MOODLE dot Antonis dot AC dot IN, and then again slash MOODLE. So it's important to include that last line, slash Moodle dot AC dot in. So I'll just share this again in the chat. So that is the site. Okay, so connect to your site and then you use the username. So I'll use someone want me to use their username, so U21ZL4121, and the password will be again with a capital C HEM at 1234. So this one you used only once, you log in and it will be in the app. Okay, so you'll see here dashboard, you'll have that chemistry 1. So chemistry 1. Now the only problem with the app is that you cannot mark attendance. That's the only thing. Okay, so this who's this, belongs to Kirshan Rukar. Okay, so he's already marked present. So if you go to the courses, daily attendance, you'll not be able to mark yourself present from the app. So you need to use from here 3 dots, open in browser. So you can use the app also, and then it will take you to that already logged in. Then you can mark yourself present. So to use the app, you have to simply log in once and then it will work. So the password for the attendance is intro. I think for now only chemistry classes will be using Moodle and computer science. Most I think computer science, others they have not used. So chemistry is the only subject for now. To log in the app is the same one that I have sent in the email, that is chem at 123. So chem at 1234 with a capital C. Okay, so for today what you do is that you explore this LMS, you try and introduce yourself in this student forum. You try and introduce yourself here. So you reply to this post and introduce, like someone has already done here. You reply there and introduce yourself. You mark yourself present. To mark yourself present, it has to be, the password is intro. Okay, so these are 2 things that you have to do today. And then you will see that we have a Department of Chemistry YouTube channel. So if you tap this one, it will take you to our YouTube channel. So access the URL, it will take you to our YouTube channel, and you can see that this class today is also there in our YouTube channel. Okay, so it will be here also. So you can rewatch this whole session later also. For other days, attendance we will keep adding daily for attendance for every day. Okay. To reply to the forum, you go to the forum Then you tap this one, introduce yourself. You'll see this reply button there, and then just reply there. Okay. So the password for attendance is intro once again. So I think those who could successfully log in, and those who could mark themselves present, and you just check into the LMS, I think it's okay for today. So any of you who still have problem, you can stay on and then tell me, okay? That is just for practicing, so that you can later on take part in a discussion forum. Okay, so you just tell something about yourself in the forum. If you could reply, means we will know that later on when we use the forum, say for discussion on a particular topic, you can also take part in the discussion. So yeah, it's just that. It's just like for you to practice to use the system. The password for marking the attendance will change for every class. So sometimes we may not have password depending upon teachers. So some teacher will give a password, some will not give a password. Okay. Okay, Jyoti Rani, can you just tell me your roll number? You're unable to write in the forum. Can you just enter your roll number? Type your roll number in the chat and I'll check for you. Okay, let me do one at a time, okay? So Jyoti, you said that you could not write in the forum, right? So if you go down, students forum, you have to click this introduce yourself, okay? Click this one, and then here you reply from this spot. Click reply, and then you can type your reply here and submit. So it should work. Okay, so you have to click this reply and type that reply. Okay. For attendance, and let's see. So to go back, you have to click this Chem EH101, or you can go from this course, Chem EH101. For the attendance, it is intro with a small I, okay, INTRO. So already marked present, so you could mark present. Okay, so I think Jyoti, that is clear for you. Apki Suri, oh, what's okay? U21 BC4035. Okay, so I'll just check yours now. U21 BC4035. Capital CHEM at 1234. So this is when you first log in into the system. Okay, Parity, can you give me your roll number so that I can check? Yes, it's okay. Not required to use the app. Those who want to use, you can use. If you do not want to use, it's okay, no problem. So I could log in. This one belongs to Sandhya Thapa. Daily attendance. Submit attendance. So I'll submit this for you, okay? You said you cannot submit, right? So you can see here, small I and TRO. Then mark yourself present and then save changes. So it is self-recorded, see? So it's small I and TRO. Okay. So now let me try for another one. MA 4032. C with a capital C, okay? HEM at 1234. Okay, see it's working. Parity scheme. So you go to general chemistry, daily attendance. You have to click the submit attendance. Okay, click submit attendance. And usually password, they are case sensitive. So even if you leave a space, it means that's for a computer, it will recognize that as a separate character. So that's why it will give a problem. So if suppose you put a space there, it will be wrong. So there should be no space, INTRO, and there should be no space after that also. Okay, so password are very sensitive to characters. So space is also a character. Okay, so save changes. So now your mark present. Triple star Dingan, can you give me your roll number? Roll number that we have sent in the email. Ma'am HOD, I think those students who could successfully log in and mark themselves present and have already contacted in the discussion forum, I think they can leave the webinar, right?
Yes, they can leave. I have put in the chat box. If you don't have any problems, you can leave the webinar, but you log into the class. Okay, log into the class. There is one video, a video material for the class posted by Ma'am MS. Try to access that video In case you face any problem, you can let us know. Okay. All right, students. So those who have no problem, you can log out of this webinar. Okay, so thank you.
I could not see anymore because there's so many chat in the chat. I could not see those who has problem.
Give your roll number also, okay? If you have any problem which you cannot open, please give your roll number also. So we'll check for you.
Okay, so Pandap Lang, U21MA, U21MA, 4154. So it's capital C, HEM at 1234. Log in.